Balance isn't just about standing upright, it's an intricate dance of the mind and body. But what happens when our internal rhythm goes astray?
Hello, I'm Navdeep Kaur from Emerald Hills Clinic. Today let's talk about vestibular physiotherapy and the incredible technology of vestibular goggles. Our inner ear plays a crucial role in maintaining our balance. The slightest disruption can lead to dizziness, vertigo, or imbalance. Vestibular goggles help us peek into this intricate system. With the insights from these goggles, we tailor exercises and maneuvers specific to your needs, addressing the root cause, not just the symptoms. The stories of transformation, of regaining life's rhythm, they inspire us every day. At Emerald Hills, we believe in merging expertise with technology for comprehensive care. If you are facing balancing issues, come, let us guide you back to your rhythm.